Okay, so have you done the reading?
Yes.
Okay, let's start from the first one. So over here, this is a short name of Sokotoa, and each of the capital letter have some meaning. So that is you can just have a look. That is a mnemonic that gives us an easy way to remember the three main trigonometric ratios. They are sine, cosine or cos, tangent and tan. So their short name are written in front of that. So when we are talking about sine, the complete name spells SINE. So in short form, we write it sine. Similarly, the complete name is sine, and in short, we can read it and write it as cos. And the last one is tangent, and then we're gonna use by like tan.
Okay.
Okay, we can use these to work out missing sides and angles in a right angle triangle. This is an important point. If the triangle is a right angle triangle, then we can be able to apply the circular. Otherwise, we can't apply it. Suppose the triangle is not a right angle triangle. It is look like that. Suppose if I just apply like draw a triangle over here. So you can just have a look. This triangle is not a right angle triangle, so we are unable to apply the SOHCAHTOA on this triangle. If we want to find the sides or if we want to find any angle, so we're gonna use any other rules. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, and the next thing, like suppose this is a right angle triangle because this angle is a 90-degree, and the and we are talking about this angle, and this sign is called a theta, or you can say like that is an x. Most of the time we're gonna represent it by theta. This
Mm-hmm.
is the name of that sign. Okay, theta gonna represent the angle. So when we're talking about this angle, so opposite to this theta or this angle, that side is called an opposite side, and the side which is corresponding to this, so that is called adjacent, and the diagonal side is always a hypotenuse. That will remain same.
Okay.
Okay, so you need to just remember the name of these sides. Like this side is an hypotenuse, and the opposite to this angle, that is an opposite side, and the line with this side, that is an adjacent. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, perfect. Now we're gonna use the circuit, or you can just move down. Let me just moderate you. Yeah, over here. So we have basically three main words over here. Like we can say that the letter in SOHCAHTOA. The first one is so, second one is ka, and then toa. Okay, we can differentiate them like these three on the basis of. So so mean sine, and O for opposite, H for hypotenuse.
So to find sine, we need to divide opposite by hypotenuse, right?
Yeah. If we want to find the value of theta, so we can do like that. If we want to find like opposite side, so we can use that. If opposite side is given and the angle is given and we want to find hypotenuse, so we can use that. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, in three scenarios we're gonna use this thing. So you will learn about this, but before that you need to just understand like what is the meaning of so. SOH. S for sine, O for opposite, H for hypotenuse. So sine theta equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Okay.
Okay.
Similarly, the meaning of ka, so the spells of ka are CAH, C for cosine, A for adjacent, H for hypotenuse. In short, we can say that cosine theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay.
Yes.
And the third one is TOA. So T for tangent, and O for opposite, and A for adjacent. So tan theta equal to opposite over adjacent.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the, we can say that we can abbreviate this suka to a triangle. So mean like it is look like that. Ka mean it is look like that. To mean, so you can remember them by using this triangle as well. Suppose when we are going to find sine theta or sine, so it will be opposite over hypotenuse. Okay,
Mm.
and we can say that like while finding opposite, so what we can say that they will multiply like sine and hypotenuse. And suppose while finding the hypotenuse, so hypotenuse will be equal to opposite over sine theta. Okay, this
Yes.
triangle is to remember the short, like these things in a shorter way. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so do you have the scientific calculator with you?
1 second. It's supposed to. Okay, I can take this one. It's also scientific. 1 second.
Uh-huh.
Yes, I have a scientific calculator.
Okay, perfect, perfect. Let me just upload a worksheet over here, and then I will just let you know like how we're gonna do this. Uploading in the board. Let me moderate you. Okay. So our first target is to identify the sides.
Okay, this is hypotenuse. This
Okay,
one.
we're gonna represent it by H, by P,
Okay, so
hypotenuse.
this is, oh my god, opposite.
Okay, very good. Okay, and the angle is given. So we're gonna just look at, let me just move the angles, the short form over here. So you will identify this. Okay, here we go.
Okay, so
So can you just tell me, like if the opposite and hypotenuse are given, like are involved, so which
we
one we
need to
need to?
use this.
Okay, very good. So now we can just plug in the values like sine theta. What is the value of theta over here?
To 35. So
Very
20
good.
over 35.
20 over 35. Like how you're
Yes.
doing this? No, no, no. That is different. So you can just have a look. First, I'm gonna just substituting the value. So it will become like sine 35 degrees. That will be equals to opposite over hypotenuse. So opposite is 20 over x. Yeah,
Okay.
you're right. But like if this is the like simple way, and while we are using that, so we can say that x will be equal to 20 over sine 35. We're talking about like that, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now
Do
you
I
can
need
use
to
this.
always write sine 2035?
It is not necessary. The angle, this angle is different. So all the sides may be different. So like it depends on the given situation, like which values are given.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, now you can use the calculator and calculate it. So 20 divided by sine 35.
20 divided by sine 35. I got 34.86.
Perfect. So the value of x is equal to 34.86. Okay.
Yes.
These are the steps which we're gonna follow. Okay, let's move on to the next question. So over here, so he said work out the value of x. Now we need to identify the sides.
Okay, so
Uh-huh.
uh 1 second. This is opposite. This is
Correct.
adjacent.
Okay.
So
Mm-hmm.
it should be tangential. This one.
Okay. Opposite and adjacent. Perfect. So can you try to solve it over here on the board?
Yes, 1 second.
Uh-huh.
So uh um, uh 42
Mm-hmm.
times uh times 11 equals x.
Okay. Mm-hmm. So after simplifying, what we will get?
9.90.
Very good. That's the right answer.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so here
That's a little bit challenging.
this
Let's see.
this oh okay. Uh this is um hypotenuse.
Okay.
This is adjacent.
Okay.
So now we need to use this one.
Okay.
It uh, uh
Mm-hmm.
oh, it's not that hard. Okay.
So you can use that like cosine x equals to.
Uh okay. Mm,
Okay, now what we're gonna do over here, we want to find the value of x, so that's why we're gonna move cosine to the other side. And what is the meaning of that? Like when we move the function to the other side, so its power will be negative, and that is called a inverse. So over here we can write it like x will be equals to cosine inverse 16 over 24.
okay.
And now we're gonna just
So
use the calculator in order to get this value. You know how to use the inverse function on the calculator?
not really.
Okay, let me just show you from my side. So let me just calculate it and I'm gonna show you. Okay, it's uploading.
Okay, I think I found it.
You found it? Like we're gonna use the shift button and then it will be the same button like where the cosine. So when we just press shift and cosine, so it shows the cosine inverse.
Cosine inverse. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Now 16 and here 24. 4 48.1. 48.2.
Correct. That is the right answer. I think the answer is like this answer is for the previous question, not for this one. Oh,
Oh, sorry.
this one.
Yeah.
This is a different one.
Okay, so now this one. This is open. This is this.
Hmm. Okay. 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 Did you get the answer?
Uh, 53.7.
Perfect. That is the right answer.
Okay. So now calculate length AB. Mm, okay. Calculate the length AB.
Yep, you can calculate it. And suppose that length is equal to x. Okay, if the name is not given and for the unknown variable, so you can name it as x. Good, it's uploaded right now. Calculator. Okay, carry on. So we need to
Okay.
involve that side which is unknown. So AB is opposite, so that side will be x. So we're gonna involve this one and this one, right?
Yes.
So which formula do we need to use? Opposite and adjacent.
Uh, okay. Okay.
Okay, perfect. Mhm. So we're gonna use the DOA, and let me erase it. So you can just zoom in your screen, or maybe fix your scribble at do PT, and it will be quite easy to write on this page. Okay, carry on.
14.
Okay, correct. That is the right answers. Good. Okay, so if you understand the basics, so you can move on to the little bit advanced question. What do you think?